So you wanted to return the one pot wonder. So here you have it. Got about a kilo of chicken thighs. Get them in a bowl. About a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of thyme, paprika, 3 garlic cloves. Give this a good stir. Make sure that chicken's coated nice and evenly. I suppose it's a bit of a poor man's Sunday dinner, but it tastes absolutely unreal. I've got my pan at a medium heat and get that chicken in there. Looking for some nice colour on it. About 3 minutes either side should do it. Then I'm adding 1 onion, baby carrots and new potatoes. Give this a stir for another couple of minutes. Then add a heaped tablespoon of flour. Give it another mix. Then I'm adding about a litre of chicken stock. I'm going to let this simmer on a low heat. 10 minutes with the lid on, then 10 minutes with the lid off. Chicken should be quite tender at this point, and that gravy should have thickened up nicely. Serve it up, couple of chicken thighs, get that veg on there, and just spoon over that gorgeous gravy. And just look at that. A little bit of parsley if you're feeling chefy. Bon appetit.